Hello fashion lovers, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video I will show you how to make this wonderful design. You can see it is a lovely design to beautify your clothes, and the material we'll be using, this is just a simple thing. You know, as a fashion lover, any material you come across that is beautiful is not a waste. You create something even out of the pieces in it. So I'll be using this material, you can see, and the pattern we are creating is from these flower leaves. You can see the leaves, and to make it to be like this, the first thing we'll be doing, we will use this interfacing. This is a color stain. That's what make it to be as strong as this. You can see how it is very lovely. You use it and place on any type of clothes you want. So, and you need a hot pressing iron you will use for it. Now the first thing you do, you trace the flowers that come out very well. Like you can see this, all these ones, but these ones are out of it. Now what you will do, if you are cutting it, you don't cut exactly the shape. I'll be cutting it to be bigger so that after using the color stain, I'll be trimming it off. You can see we'll cut it away from the leaf so that after using the interfacing, you then trim it exactly the shape of the leaf. I'll be cutting it this way. You can see. You can cut as much as you want. Make sure the ones you are cutting are the ones that has the full design. You can see how I cut it. While you are doing this, your pressing iron should be on. You look for a material that has a wonderful design like this. We have so many of it. Okay. This is another material. You can see, if you are making use of this material, you look for, like this leaf, look for the leaves that you want. This is one, this is two. Check the ones that you want exactly, but this, I'm using this one for this tutorial. The next thing to do is you check, this is the back, why this is the front. You place, look for the part that has a shiny design. It has a shiny spot on it. Is the part that you will gum with the clothes. The other side will not gum. Is the part that is shiny that we are making use of to gum it. So now, then I will take the wrong side and place it on that part. Then I will cut as well. Okay, now the next thing to do, remember your iron is very hot, you have to turn it over. Make sure you place it where all the pattern will be covered. Then you need a very hot iron to do that. A very hot iron. It has to be very hot. But make sure you don't iron on top of the material so that it will not get burnt. You gently iron it very well. Make sure that everything is stick together. Okay, after using the iron on it, the next thing is to trim it off. In this step, you have to be careful. You check all the, see how the design is. You're going to trace it exactly on that design. So we carefully trace, carefully make sure you don't cut it off. Make sure you don't cut the designs off. You do it carefully, carefully. Okay, you can see we are done with this one. The next one, carefully. You can use it to design any style. You can use it to create any style you want on a clothes. Another method you can use here, if you don't have a flowered material like this, and you have a plain material, you can create any style you want. You can just design anything you want on that plain material. You can design it, can sketch it there. After sketching it, you still follow the same process. After sketching it, you use an interfacing with iron. Why I use this color stay is stronger. Can use depending on how you want it. If you want to use the soft one, it's up to you. But this one I'm using here is the hard one, so that it can stand on its own. So if you use a plain material and draw any design you want on it, you can see you draw it and you use the same way and trim it out, you are good to go. You place it on your clothes and enjoy a wonderful design. Fashion designing is all about creativity, all about being creative. Right guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Drop your comments. If you really like this video, drop your comments on the comment section. Click on the bell icon after subscribing to be notified anytime we publish another video, and give this video a like. You can see we are done with this. You can place it on any design. You can place it. You now use gum. You can use anything. You can use it to create any design you want. You can see how it is. You can use it to create any style, anyhow you want it to be. You can decide to turn it over any shape you want it to be. It's okay. Okay, you can see the design, the lovely design. You can place it on any side you want it to be, anyhow you want it to look. You are good to go. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I publish another video. Until I see you on my next video. Bye.